Because I want the audiences to encourage you by meeting you. So can you just expose us to your nomenclature?
Well, I'm a nomenclature by nature.
No.
I'm a nomenclature by nature. Expansion. My name is Uche. Nwakuche. Eduza.
Oh.
Sister Mange.
Oh. Oh, you, Sister Mange. Can you just, in a random of memorandum, then memorand your professionalism?
Okay. I'm an actress.
Okay, you're an actress.
And a film make.
Oh.
Film.
Oh, you're a film make.
Film.
Actress. Atrocity. I am atrocity by nature.
Wow.
So flamboyant. And I'm so flamboyant. Well, in the summary of the conclusion is that I am very, very intoxicated by your presence. I'm very happy with your mom, but I'm so much.
Okay.
Yes.
I was a film make. I will come costume and email.
How come camera? I'm camera face. I'm map taking camera. I'm camera face.
Okay.
I'm camera.
I source my costume here and there. Here and there. Examples. How do I source my costume? That is the question everybody will ask.
Okay.
Then let me tell them how I source my costume.
Oh.
Sauce. Yeah, what you need to book value.
Okay, yeah, sauce.
Yeah, sauce. Sauce. Good agata. Sauce costume. I won't gang a mad home. Gamano. Joe Hele Jean. I saw the Gwella. At the Gwella. Say hello. Jean Elie. I saw one this week. And Babale. If I had a jeru. Uju, I will connect them. Young Mala Mommanaya, okay, get here. Their address so low. Hey, little crumb, someone of a lane, one will come at the Quabu, let us let no come at the Buya. Then, when I said, leave fella here. 6 months later, where got the way. Well, I'm poking your costume. Thank you. Oh, to make your sauce costume.
Yeah, who was a kidney Hogan?
Who was all went back?
Anyways, anyways, we came to conclusions of our discussions with Sister Mange because of the apparent disturbance of the atmosphere.
And also the time factors.
And so we might not indulge into long
improper fraction.
Yes, improper fraction. We might not really try to indulge ourselves into indulgements. We'll try to upgrade by concubine. Yes, concubine. Concubine, just in a platter of gold or platter of gold called platform.
Really plasmodium.
Oh, plasmodium. Oh my God. The English escapes my memories because even the English is so elaborated.
Well, if you ask me, I would say it's a little bit intoxicating, the English languages.
Anyways, I'm a grammar myself. I'm a grammar myself. Let's just, I don't want to speak much so that people will not start. Neither
will I spark.
Oh, we are Englishans. Anyways, thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies, yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we are embarrassed by your presence,
And we appreciate it.
Yes, we appreciate it. Your presence is
your
irritating.
condolence is everly appreciated.
Oh yes, thank you for your condolence to us. We like it. We appreciated it. Didn't we?
We does.
Oh.
Don't they give something like souvenir?
Sachet waters.
No, souvenir. That's
Okay. Oh yeah, souvenir.
Yeah, it's souvenir.
Chema souvenir. Oh, here the car.
We are toying the same route. Yes,
oh,
yes.
Oh,
you're there.
I was there. Anyway, thank you, because we have come to the conclusion of our conclude.
Yes.
So just be patient with us. We will be right back soon.
Don't touch that dice.
Yes. Go on now. No, don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Don't
touch
yes.
Don't touch that.